Hello, Education 570. Welcome to module number 6 already. Assistive and adaptive technology. Let's check out what we've got for this week. Our learning targets for this week. Through participation in the module, you'll be able to develop a process for technology tools based on student needs. Describe how assistive and adaptive tech tools meet a student's needs, and incorporate an assistive or adaptive technology into a lesson to meet a specific student need. The introduction is here for you to check out as well. And as we head to the required reading, case studies and videos, as we scroll down, some websites for you to check out, library articles as well. Pick one of the library articles that are linked there. The rest I encourage you to keep reading through and watching videos to get some ideas. 6.1 discussion. We are only doing part 1. There are 2 parts it says, but part 2 is going to be optional. It's up to you. Part 1, meeting the needs of all students, is one area in which our faith is easily incorporated into our teaching. Share with your experience with meeting needs of your students and how your faith sustains, strengthens, or encourages you. And you can post questions for your peers as well. Part 2 is optional. You can read through here as you'd like to. And then make sure that you do your initial post by Wednesday at midnight, response post by Sunday at midnight. The milestone, the draft action plan. You're going to submit a draft of one technology integration action plan. It should contain all of the elements from the final project. What I will do then is look it over for you and give you feedback as you get started with your final project. Make sure you check the final project rubric to be able to get more information about that project. I am also attached to the email that I sent this week. I'm sending some example final projects so that you can see some ideas there. The assignment guidelines and rubrics. Here's where you can find the final project description and rubric. You can kind of see a little bit of what we're looking for the final project. Again, I am going to send some samples as well so you can kind of see what this looks like. And then as we head back, questions, anyone? If you have questions as well, it can go there. All right, please make sure that you ask questions if you have any this week, and let's have a good week.